This presentation is related. In this presentation, we will see zooming and shrinking of images, some basic relationship between pixels, that is neighbors of pixel, adjacency, connectivity, regions and boundaries. After that, we will see distance measures, and at the end, we will see linear and non-linear operations. First, we will see zooming and shrinking digital images. Zooming may be viewed as oversampling, while shrinking may be viewed as undersampling. The key difference between the two operations and sampling and quantizing an original continuous image is that zooming and shrinking are applied to digital image. Zooming requires two steps: the creation of new pixel locations and the assignment of gray levels to those new locations. Let us start with a simple example. Suppose that we have an image of size 500 by 500 pixels and we want to enlarge it to 1.5 times, that is 750 by 750 pixels. Conceptually, one of the easier ways to visualize zooming is laying an imaginary 750 by 750 grid over the original image. In order to perform gray level assignment for any point in the overlay, we look for the closest pixel in the original image and assign its gray level to the new pixel in the grid. When we are done with all points in the overlay grid, we simply expand it to the original specified size to obtain the zoomed image. This method of gray level assignment is called nearest neighbor interpolation. Pixel replication is a special case of nearest neighbor interpolation. Pixel replication is applicable when we want to increase the size of an image in integer number of times, that is triple, quadruple and so on. For instance, to double the size of an image, we can duplicate each column. The gray level assignments of each pixel is predetermined by the fact that new locations are exact duplicate of the old locations. Although nearest neighbor interpolation is fast, it has the undesirable feature that it produces a checkerboard effect that is particularly objectionable at high factors of magnifications. A slightly more sophisticated way of accomplishing gray level assignments is bilinear interpolation using the four nearest neighbors at that point. Let x dash y dash denote the coordinates at a point in the zoomed image. Think of it as a point on the grid described previously, and let v x dash y dash denote the gray level assigned to it. For bilinear interpolation, the assigned gray level is given by v of x dash y dash is equal to ax dash plus by dash plus cx dash y dash plus d, where the four coefficients are determined from the four equations in the four unknowns that can be written using the four nearest neighbors of point x dash y dash. Image shrinking is done in similar manner as for zooming. The equivalent process of pixel replication is row column deletion. For example, to shrink an image by one half, we delete every other row and column. It is possible to use more neighbors for interpolation. Using more neighbors implies fitting the points with more complex surface, which generally gives smoother results. Now we will see some basic relationship between pixels. First, neighbors of pixel. A pixel P at coordinates xy has four horizontal and vertical neighbors whose coordinates are given by x plus 1 y, x minus 1 y, x y plus 1, x y minus 1. This set of pixels called the four neighbors of pixel P is denoted by N4P. Each pixel is a unit distance from xy and some of the neighbors of P lie outside the digital image if xy is on the border. The four diagonal neighbors of P have coordinates x plus 1, y plus 1, x plus 1, y minus 1, x minus 1, y plus 1, x minus 1, y minus 1 and are denoted by n, d, p. These points together with the four neighbors are called the 8 neighbors of P and denoted by n8p. Sum of the points of n diagonal P and n8p fall outside the image if xy is on the border of the image. Now we'll see adjacency, connectivity, regions and boundaries. Connectivity between pixels simplifies the definition of numerous digital image concepts such as regions and boundaries. If two pixels are connected, then it must be determined whether they are neighbors and their gray levels satisfy a specified criteria of similarity. For example, if their gray levels are equal. For instance, in a binary image with value 0 and 1, two pixels may be four neighbors, but they are said to be connected only if they have the same value. Let V be a set of gray level values used to define adjacency. In the gray image, V is equal to 1 if we are referring to adjacency of pixels with value 1. In grayscale image, the idea is the same, but V typically contains more elements. For example, in the adjacency of pixels with the range of possible gray level values 0 to 255, set V could be any subset of these 256 values. We consider three types of adjacency. Number one, for adjacency. Two pixels P and Q with values from V are 4 adjacent if Q is in the set N4P. Second, 8 adjacency. Two pixels P and Q with values V are 8 adjacent if Q is in the set N8P. M adjacency, that is mixed adjacency. Two pixels P and Q with values from V are M adjacent if Q is in N4P or Q is in NDP and the set N4P intersection N4Q has no pixels whose values are from V. Mixed adjacency is a modification of 8 adjacency. It is introduced to eliminate the ambiguities that often arise when 8 adjacency is used. For example, consider the pixel arrangement shown in the figure A for V is equal to 1. The 3 pixels at the top of figure B show multiple ambiguous 8 adjacency as indicated by the dashed lines. This ambiguity is removed by using M adjacency as shown in figure C. Two image subsets S1 and S2 are adjacent if some pixels in S1 is adjacent to some pixels in S2. A digital path or curve from pixel P with coordinates xy to pixel Q with coordinates st is a sequence of distinct pixels with coordinates x0, y0, x1, y1 up to xn, yn, where x0, y0 is equal to xy and xn, yn is equal to st, and pixels xi, yi and xi minus 1 yi minus 1 are adjacent for 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to n. In this case, n is the length of the path. If x0 y0 is equal to xn yn, the path is closed path. We can define 4, 8 or m paths depending on the type of adjacency specified. Let S represent a subset of pixels in an image. Two pixels P and Q are said to be connected in S if there exists a path between them consisting entirely of pixels in S. For any pixel P in S, the set of pixels that are connected to it in S is called a connected component of S. If it only has one connected component, then set S is called a connected set. Let R be a subset of pixels in an image. We call R a region of image if R is a connected set. The boundary, also called border or contour, of a region R is the set of pixels in the region that have one or more neighbors that are not in R. If R happens to be an entire image, then its boundary is defined as the set of pixels in the first and last rows and columns of the image. Now, distance measures for pixels P, Q and Z with coordinates xy, st and vw respectively. D is the distance function or metric if d of pq is greater than or equal to 0. D of pq is equal to 0 if and only if p is equal to q. Second, d of pq is equal to d of qp, and third, d of pz is less than or equal to d of pq plus d of qz. The Euclidean distance between p and q is defined as d of pq is equal to square root of x minus s square plus y minus t square. For this distance measure, the pixels having a distance less than or equal to some value r from xy are the points contained in a disk of radius r centered at xy. The D4 distance, also called city block distance between P and Q, is defined as D4 distance between P and Q is equal to absolute value of x minus s plus absolute value of y minus t. In this case, the pixels having a D4 distance from xy less than or equal to some value r form a diamond centered at xy. For example, the pixels with D4 distance less than or equal to 2 from xy, the center point, form the following counters of constant distance as shown here in the figure. The pixels with d4 equal to 1 are the neighbors of xy. The d8 distance, also called chessboard distance between P and Q, is defined as d8 between P and Q is equal to maximum of absolute value of x minus s and absolute value of y minus t. In this case, the pixels with d8 distance from xy less than or equal to some value r form a square centered at xy. For example, the pixels with d8 distance less than or equal to 2 from xy, the center point, form the following counters of constant distance. The pixels with d8 is equal to 1 are the 8 neighbors of xy. The d4 and d8 distances between P and Q are independent of any paths that might exist between the points because these distances involve only the coordinates of the points. The dm distance between two points is defined as the shortest m path between the points. In this case, the distance between two pixels will depend on the values of the pixels along with the path as well as the values of their neighbors. Now, image operations on a pixel basis. Images were represented in the form of matrices. Matrix division is not defined. However, we refer to an operation like dividing one image by another. That is, the division is carried out between corresponding pixels in the two images. Thus, for example, if f and g are images, the first element of the image is formed by dividing f by g is simply the first pixel in f divided by the first pixel in g, assuming that none of the pixels in g have value 0. Other arithmetic and logical operations are similarly defined between corresponding pixels in the images involved. Linear and nonlinear operations. Let H is an operator whose input and output are images. H is said to be a linear operator if for any two images f and g and any two scalars a and b, h of af plus bg is equal to a into h of f plus b into h of g. That is, the result of applying a linear operator to the sum of two images that have been multiplied by the constants is identical to the operator to the images individually multiplying the results by the appropriate constants and then adding those results. For example, an operator whose function is to compute the sum of k images is a linear operator. An operator that computes the absolute value of the difference of two images is not linear. An operator that fails to test the above equation is by definition a nonlinear. That's the end of this presentation. Thank you.